Hey everyone, my name is Masa and I work for Lightly. In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can create annotations inside LightlyStudio. More specifically, this time, I want to focus on drawing segmentation masks. So let's say I have my unlabeled dataset here and I will just choose one image for creating the annotation. Let's say this image of a banana and a donut. And I will try to create a segmentation mask for the donut. So first of all, when I'm in this image, I can just click here on top right, edit annotations. And I have some simple settings, so I can just tailor the view to my liking, the contrast and the brightness. Let's just keep it like that. The more fun part is here on the left. So you have the options. So, the bounding box and the segmentation mask, in addition to like select and drag for easier managing the entire image when you have multiple labels, for example. And what is also very cool is that you have this on hover, you can see that you can use the hotkeys, right? So for example, the bounding box has a B and like a segmentation mask brush has an M. So, when you're doing this process for a longer time, sometimes it's much easier to use the keyboard instead of like clicking on here on the left. So yeah, for the segmentation mask, I could just click M, but for the purpose of this video, I will click here. And this puts me inside the mode for drawing a segmentation mask. So what I'll first do, I can, as you can see, I can change the size. I will make it a bit smaller initially. And I will just, first of all, try to draw like a boundary for this donut. And yeah, keep in mind that I'm trying to be a bit faster now for the purpose of this tutorial, so maybe I won't be that precise. But what's very cool is also like that. So for example, I can just like remove my hands from the keyboard basically. And as you can see, I'm still inside the mode of editing this segmentation mask. So I can just, continue, which is cool because, sometimes you get a cramp in your hand, or I don't know, like a phone call occurs or whatever. So it's very cool. You can just, put your hands up and you can, return later. And now what I'll do, I'll change the size to a bit bigger and I will just fill this inside. Let's do it like that. Okay. Let's say this is now quite okay. Okay, I think I'm quite happy now. Maybe just this part here. Okay, I think, yeah. So as you can see, all the time I keep getting the annotation updated successfully message. So I know that, it's updated successfully. And now when I'm happy with the mask, I can just click here on the right. Right now this has just a default label, but I will make it a banana. Oh, sorry. I will make it a donut. Let's do it like that. So we have a donut, and yes. So now let's say, for example, I'm happy with that. I will just go out of the mode for creating a segmentation mask for my donut. And let's say, for example, I just click here on top right, finish editing. And when I come back to my dataset, now you can see that even though I had an unlabeled dataset before, now I have one label and I can click here to filter by this label. And basically this is exactly the image that we were annotating. This is this donut here. And even if I click on it, I can see the successfully created annotation, basically the segmentation mask for a donut. So yeah, that's very cool. I hope you liked this short tutorial and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!